All right, we've been doing some spring cleaning. It's looking beautiful in here. I'm gonna show a quick demo. We got our little bench here. Slip through here. Floor's all clean. We got our lab equipment. It's all like nice and organized. The milling section. We're milling our amazing circuit boards. The pick and place machine and some assembly stuff. Books on C. 3D printer. Got another assembly area. Our nice communication poster, because that's important. So we got some scopes and stuff. A lot of monitors. And we got our whiteboard. Top secret. Top secret. Bathroom. Gotta have a good bathroom. It's even clean with blue water. It's nice, blue water. And we got our lab, or our office. It's looking beautiful. See ya.